OnePlus has officially started rolling out its latest major software update, OxygenOS 16, and it's now live in India. This update, built on Android 16, brings a long list of improvements including smoother performance, a refreshed user interface, and advanced AI-powered features. It marks a big step for OnePlus in refining its software experience while also tying in perfectly with the launch of its latest flagship device, the OnePlus 15, which will officially debut in India on November 13th. The rollout of OxygenOS 16 will happen in phases, starting with the brand's latest flagships before expanding to older phones and tablets. The OnePlus 15 will be the first device to come preloaded with the new operating system, powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, which promises extreme performance and efficiency gains. But OnePlus isn't keeping the update exclusive to its newest model. Many existing devices are already confirmed to get OxygenOS 16 over the next several weeks. The OnePlus 13 and OnePlus 13S started receiving OxygenOS 16 on November 1st, followed by the OnePlus 13R, OnePlus 12, OnePlus Pad 3, and OnePlus Pad 2 on November 5th. Then on November 7th, the OnePlus Open began receiving the update, and the OnePlus 12R will join the list later this month. As the rollout continues, the update will also reach the OnePlus 11 series and some models from the Nord lineup in December. If your phone's name appears on the list shown on screen, it means OxygenOS 16 is coming your way soon. However, not all devices are lucky this time. OnePlus has confirmed that older models, such as the OnePlus Nord 2, Nord 2T, and Nord 2 Lite, will not receive the OxygenOS 16 update due to hardware limitations and compatibility concerns. This move might disappoint some users, but it's in line with OnePlus's recent focus on optimizing performance for its newer generation devices. To ensure a smooth and safe update process, OnePlus has shared a few important recommendations. Users are advised to keep their devices charged above 30%, maintain several gigabytes of free storage, and connect to a stable Wi-Fi network before downloading. Because the rollout happens in stages, availability may vary depending on your region and carrier, so some users might have to wait a bit longer. The company also strongly encourages users to back up important data like photos, messages, and contacts before installing the update. Once the installation is complete, OnePlus recommends reviewing system permissions and overall performance. Some new features, especially those involving AI, may take a short while to adjust and perform optimally. The deeper AI integration in OxygenOS 16 introduces smarter background management, more intelligent notifications, and smoother multitasking, all designed to make the experience feel faster and more personalized. Overall, OxygenOS 16 represents one of the most significant updates in recent OnePlus history. With its refined design, improved speed, and focus on AI-driven efficiency, it aims to deliver a cleaner, smarter, and more fluid user experience. Speaking of OnePlus, the upcoming OnePlus 15 is also gearing up for its global launch. You can check out this video for all the details.